Welcome to the Auckland Home Show with thousands of home improvement products and ideas all under one roof. Plus the experts are here with their great advice on site as well. Come on, let's go check it out.
There's so many stalls, there's so much to look at, and people we've chatted to have been really great, really helpful.
Come here, have a bite to eat, get ideas on what you want to change your house. I found it fantastic. We love homes, so we're into all the new things that are happening in the home, so yeah.
Splashbacks, kitchen renovations, new taps.
We came in here looking to renovate our kitchen, and we've bought an oven and a range hood.
There's so many options, so it has been really good to see what's available out there.
You get the benefit of a sales advisor there with you as well that can talk you through the products.
Terrific.